The door led right into a large kitchen, which was full of smoke from the end to the other. The Duchess was sitting on a three-legged stool in the middle, nursing a baby. The cook was leaning over the fire, stirring a large cauldron, which seemed full of soup. "There's certainly too much pepper in that soup," Alex said to herself, as well as she could for sneezing. Oh, jeez. There was certainly too much of it in the air. Even the Duchess, she sneezed occasionally. And as for the baby, sneezing and howling alternately, with a moment's with a moment's pause. The only two creatures in the kitchen that did not sneeze were the cook and a large cat, which was sitting in the hearth and grinning from ear to ear. "Please, would you tell me," said Alice, a little timidly. For she was not quite sure whether it was good manners for her to speak first. "Why your cat grins like that." "It's a Cheshire cat," said the Duchess, "and that's why." "That's why." "Pig." She said the last word with sudden violence that Alice quite jumped, but she saw in another moment that it was addressed to the baby. It was addressed to the baby and not to her, and so she took courage and went on again. "I didn't know that Cheshire cats always. I didn't know that Cheshire cats always grinned. In fact, I didn't." I don't think I can keep going.